Are you constantly terrified of losing your memory, struggling to recall names, or feeling that scary brain fog? This is not just aging. You might feel your joints grinding with every step, or worry that your heart is slowly clogging up. The danger is real. These are not separate problems. They are all caused by a single, silent fire burning inside your body. You are in. This hidden inflammation is rusting your arteries, shrinking your brain, and destroying your joints from the inside out. It is a silent killer. Imagine one simple, golden oil that acts as the ultimate fire extinguisher, instantly cooling down this inflammation. It stops the damage. This nutrient is the most critical building block for your brain and the slippery coating your arteries need. It keeps you alive. This golden secret is scientifically proven to lower dangerous triglycerides, prevent plaque rupture, and regrow brain cells. The results are massive. It turns your stiff, dried-out cells into flexible, youthful, and permeable structures that absorb nutrients easily. It rejuvenates you. This is the ultimate, non-drug secret to preventing Alzheimer's, avoiding heart attacks, and moving without pain. It saves lives. We'll expose the huge lie about plant-based versions of this oil, and why they almost never work for humans. Get the real stuff. If you ignore this deficiency, your brain literally shrinks, and your blood turns into a thick, clumping sludge. The risk is high. We'll reveal the exact dosage you need and the simple freezer test to check if your oil is fake. Use this trick. Don't skip the final warning about the blood-thinning effect that can be dangerous if you take specific medications. Check your meds. Stay tuned to master the ultimate secret to flexible arteries, a sharp mind, and a body free of pain. Your healing starts now. The miraculous golden liquid we are revealing today, the foundation of human health, is high-quality omega-3 fish oil. But before you think I already know about fish oil, you need to understand why most people are taking it completely wrong. To understand the power of omega, you must first understand the enemy it fights. Omega-6 in the modern diet. We are drowning in omega-6 fats, found in vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and canola oil. These oils are highly inflammatory. They trigger the body's alarm system, causing swelling, pain, and plaque buildup. Our ancestors ate a ratio of 1:1 between omega-6 and omega-3. The average person eats a ratio of 20:1, meaning you have 20 times more inflammatory fuel than you have fire extinguishers. This massive imbalance is the root cause of the chronic disease epidemic we see today. Omega-3 fish oil is the only way to balance the scale back to safety. It works by replacing the rigid, inflammatory fats in your cell membranes with flexible, fluid, healthy fats. Let's talk about the incredible benefits for your brain and memory. Your brain is approximately 60% fat, and the most important structural fat is an omega-3 called DHA. DHA is literally the physical material that your brain cells and synapses are made of. When you are low on DHA, your brain physically shrinks, leading to memory loss, dementia, and Alzheimer's disease. Supplementing with fish oil provides the raw material to rebuild these cells, improving memory, focus, and mood. It also increases the production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is like fertilizer for your neurons. Now, let's look at the heart, the #1 killer in the world. Omega-3 South are the most powerful natural tool for lowering high triglycerides, the fat in your blood that signals danger. High triglycerides are often more dangerous than high cholesterol, and fish oil can drop them by up to 50%. Even more importantly, Omega-3 South stabilize the plaque in your arteries. Hard plaque is bad, but soft, unstable plaque is what bursts and causes sudden heart attacks. Fish oil makes plaque more stable and less likely to rupture, essentially fireproofing your heart against a sudden event. It also naturally thins the blood, preventing the dangerous clots that lead to strokes. We must address the benefits for your eyes and vision. Just like the brain, the retina of your eye is highly concentrated in DHA. As we age, a lack of omega-3 leads to macular degeneration. the leading cause of blindness in seniors. Taking fish oil keeps the retina moist and healthy, preventing dry eye syndrome and preserving your vision. Now, let's destroy the plant-based myth regarding flaxseed and chia seeds. You will often hear that you can get your omega-3 south from plants. While ELA is healthy, your body must convert it into the active forms EPA and DHA to get the brain and heart benefits. The conversion rate in humans is terrible, often less than 5%. This means you would have to drink a gallon of flaxseed oil to get the same benefit as a small dose of fish oil. To fix your brain and heart, you must consume preformed EPA and DHA found in fish or algae oil. EPA is the master and DHA is the structural builder for the brain. You need but. Now, let's talk about quality, because the fish oil market is full of rancid, toxic garbage. Omega-3 fats are very unstable. When they're exposed to heat or light, they oxidize and turn rancid. Consuming rancid fish oil is actually bad for you. It increases inflammation instead of lowering it. Here is the freezer test you must do. Put your fish oil capsule in the freezer overnight. If you wake up and the pill is frozen, solid, or cloudy, it contains too much water or low-quality fillers. High-quality, pure fish oil does not freeze. It should remain clear and fluid, even at freezing temperatures. Also, bite into a capsule. If it tastes like rotting fish, throw the bottle away. Good fish oil should taste mild, fresh, or slightly like the ocean, but never rotten or incredibly fishy. The typical therapeutic dosage to reverse inflammation is higher than what is on the bottle. You want to aim for a total of 2,000 mg to 3,000 mg of combined EPA and DHA per day. Look at the label carefully. 1,000 mg. Fish oil does not mean 1,000 mg of omega-3. You have to add up the EPA and DHA numbers on the back. Often, you need to take 3 or 4 pills to reach the therapeutic dose. The best time to take fish oil is with a fatty meal. Taking it with food improves absorption significantly and prevents the dreaded fish burps that happen on an empty stomach. We must address the final warning regarding blood thinners, because omega-3 south naturally thin the blood, which is good for heart health. They can increase bleeding risk if you are on warfarin or if you take prescription blood thinners or are scheduled for surgery. You must consult your doctor before taking high-dose fish oil. For everyone else, this golden oil is the key to longevity. It lubricates your joints, clears the fog from your brain, and scrubs the fat from your blood. This affordable daily supplement is your ultimate insurance policy against the inflammatory diseases of aging. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge to safely leverage this essential golden oil. Now, tell us in the comments below, have you ever done the freezer test on your fish oil? And did it pass? We want to hear your results. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone struggling with memory loss or stiff joints, please share it immediately with them. You could be saving their brain. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 surprising foods that are secretly causing your hair loss and aging. Thank you for prioritizing your health. Put out the fire of inflammation and reclaim your youth. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.